Hi everyone, my name is Lucy Lee. I'm the research coordinator of the KPU VR Lab, and I work in the VR Lab for my honors research project. And this is Varjo VR Headset, which I used for my honors research project, and I'm gonna do a tutorial today to show you how to use it. Okay, so this is the Varjo headset I mentioned before, and those are the controllers, and these are the sensors, and here are the chargers for the sensors. So these are the equipment to connect the Varjo VR headset to the desktop computer. So step one, we're gonna connect these two into here. So A into A, B into B. So like this. B into B. Step 2 is connecting these 4 into here. So big ones in here, smaller ones in here, like this. So step 3, you're gonna connect the charger of the headset into here. As you can see, plug in. And then we're gonna plug this in later. Now you can see all the wires are now connected to the desktop computer. Step 5. Now we need to connect the sensors to its charger. So make sure when you place the sensors, they must be put diagonally across the room facing each other. So we have placed the sensors diagonally facing each other, as you can see. Step 6, now we're gonna connect the desktop computer to the Wi-Fi through this blue wire, and so also power the VR headset using this. Step 7, we're gonna turn on the controllers just by pressing this and hold. Now you see the blue light, it means it's on. Make sure your controllers are fully charged, or you can charge them by using those. Step 8, we open the Varjo base software. We open the Steam VR room setup, and you click launch Steam VR, and this little box will show up. And you can see the blue ones means they're connected. So we can turn on these two controllers now. And you can see they're blinking blue. You can click on it, and then you should have something called pair controllers here. And then you click, and then you choose the with controller type. And then you press this button and this one together same time, and then it will be blinking green. Once you have a steady green, that means they're connected like this. Step 9, once you have all the equipment connected as they're showing blue, then you can go to click on the menu and then click room setup, and then room scale. And then just need to follow the instructions. So you have to make sure they're all in green. If they're not in green, then you have to hold your controllers up so the sensors can sense them. So we're all good now. And then you can click on next. Stand in the middle of the cleared space, and then put your controllers at your monitor and pull the trigger. Triggers this one. And as you can see, the green bar is complete. We can go to the next step. It says calibrate floor. We can click on this and then put your controllers down on the floor and pull the trigger. And once the full bar is complete, can go on next step. Then we can create some boundaries. So I'm gonna set up the boundaries. You have to pull the trigger. I walk around boundaries of the room. if you lose track, you have to start again. Walk slowly. Try. It's gonna work. Oh, we're good now. So we have set our play area, and then we go click next, and we're complete the setup process. Yeah.